Garrison Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Ward County in north-central North Dakota, northeastern McLean County in south-central North Dakota, southwestern McHenry County in north-central North Dakota, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southwest of Butte, or 33 miles east of Garrison, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Butte around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Voltaire, Russo, Bergen, Strawberry Lake, and Balfour. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL-78 in Bismarck, North Dakota, operating on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. Weather Service Office in Bismarck.